I heard once, a long, long time ago, that if you try and tear a rose from its roots, then the rose screams. But nowadays I find myself living in these vivid dividends.
Living in these vivid
Living in
dividends.
these vivid dividends
Living in these vivid dividends
of indifference. Because I've seen what a girl like Rose dreams at night when these rose-colored glasses, cracked, resting by bedside, bear witness to the fruits of an imagination ripe for a requiem. You see,
for Rose, a childhood of atrocities stream endlessly on the back of black eyelid movie screens. One thing's for damn sure. There was a point where Rose had me meditative and calm, penetrating layers of my levitating fears, elevating ecstasy within me, having all 7 chakras aligned and electric with the energy. Rose was a bad one. And see, the conditions she was sprung from were acidic and harsh, and the only thing it was fit to bloom was shadows of a doubt under an even darker moon, tales of the unsung. But even in these conditions,
Rose would bloom, flourish, but wilt and wither endlessly. And she even tried germinating the seeds of her imagination to that of a faraway land, where the soles of bare feet bore fruitful souls underneath, healthy, loved, and nurtured flora. Yet, even in these conditions, beautiful and free, Rose would continue to bloom, flourish, but wilt and wither endlessly, and this cycle would repeat and repeat
and repeat and repeat, even for me, a gardener with loving, nurturing hands. And I would blame everything from the sun, the moon, the stars, to even the breeze. Until I recognized that, deficient of love and light in the crucial stages, the problem was always with the seed. So one day I broke this cycle and decided to become free. When I recognized the sage piece of advice
that a gardener once gave me, which is that if you try and tear Rose from her roots, then Rose screams.